Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm recording this video on February 7th of 2019. Today I wanted to talk about risk management in trading. If you have been listening to my videos at all, you would have noticed that I always refer to the risk as R, 1R, 2R, etc. What I mean by that is R is a risk unit. So whenever we trade for each and every trade, we have to always assume that things can go south. Which means if you are entering a trade here, let's say where I'm pointing, you're going long here, that is buying the shares. Even though you want it to go up and make you the profit, you should always be aware of the fact that things can go south and stop you out. So you need to have a stop loss order put in already as soon as you enter the trade, because nobody knows what will happen in the market. No matter how good the setup looks, the trading setup, or anyone says anything about any stock, regardless of what it is. Like if someone says it's going to be a great stock, if you buy it, you're going to make money. You should always have stop loss in mind. You should always have it set. Similarly, the target should also be set. So in my opinion, it's better to go into the market with an edge, and you predetermine your stop as well as your target. So you are a happy camper at the end of the day. When you look at it at in the long run. So let me explain what I mean by 1R and 2R here. So in my trading methodology, I always try to risk one risk unit. That could be a certain percentage of your trading account. Let's say if you have a $100,000 account, for example, you could risk 1% of your account, which means for every trade, you are risking $1,000. So that will be this here. So if you enter the trade over here, and if the price comes down and stops you out, you lose $1,000. In the contrary, on the other side, if you are entering the trade and it keeps going in your direction and you are getting out with a profit at the target level, which will be a 2R. So in this case, in this example, it will be a $2,000 profit. The reason why I keep the target as 2R and stop loss as 1R is that no trading methodology is going to be producing more winners. So in most cases, your winners will be limited and your losers will be a lot more than winners. So in order to eventually make money, for every trade that you are losing, you should do a trade that wins multiples of that loss. So in my methodology, I always go for 1R and 2R. I don't try to wait and try to get 3R or 4R, etc. I don't do that. That's not what my methodology calls for, but your methodology could be different. But in most cases, it's better to always go for a larger profit than the amount you are risking. So it's as simple as that. You don't want to go more than 1 or 2% of your trading account as a risk for every trade. You want to just keep it between 1 and 2. Sometimes you can even keep it 0.50% or 0.25%, etc. The lower you keep is better. Especially in the beginning, it's better to keep low percentage. And as you are getting familiar with trading, you may want to go up to 2%, but not more than that, in my opinion, because you never know. No matter how good it looks, there is no guarantee. Every trade in the market is unique. In fact, every moment is unique, as late Mark Douglas says. It's all unique moment in the market. Nobody knows. No CNBC, no trading gurus, nobody knows actually. So you want to keep your stop always defined, your risk defined, and you must take the stop loss. If the price comes down, you must take it. There is no if and but about it. You have to take the stop loss. Similarly, when it goes to the profit, you can wait. I mean, some people wait and try to trail the price. In my methodology, I do not. I just take the target as it comes. I take the stop as it comes, and I move on to the next trade. So I think that is a very simple definition of risk management. In case you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to respond back to you. All right. Thank you for listening in. If you like any of my videos, feel free to like them. You can comment on them. can share them. Also, you can subscribe to my channel right here, and also don't forget to click on this little bell button so that you get notified of any all new videos that I will be posting in. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.